we were all sitting there and she was like, oh my God, God, take me now. And Jakey's like, Lindsay! She took Lionel and she can't wake up.
Did what?
She took Lionel and was done.
So Lindsay wouldn't even wake up?
No! So Jakey was like, I'm going to call 911. Yes, and she gave him the address, and then it's just.
I don't know, my neighbor just walked over here, like in the pitch black, and she's complaining about her stomach hurting, and I don't know, she just got out of the hospital today, and I don't know what to do.
And then when Jamie got on the phone, Miss Jessica was like, where's the dog?
Yeah.
Jamie was like, right away, oh, I'm sorry.
And then she went back to moaning.
And so she was just laying in the lap and I was rubbing her back. And then at one point I stopped because I was like, I think she was dying. She wasn't moaning anymore. And then we were just all sitting there and she was like, okay, the ambulance is on its way. So she turns the light on and everything and I'm just looking around. And I was like, oh, there's her purse. And then the ambulance gets there and she starts taking off her jacket. I was like, she has a jacket on. Like, she came prepared.
Has she ever purse?
Yes! So she just takes it off and she's got it off waiting for the EMT to take her blood pressure and